Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be writing the code for animal sound effects with the images. So let's start. First let's go to design and choose the background image. I have already chosen background image. Just go to upload file and upload an image from your device. Yes, perfect. Now let's start adding images. Yes. First image, I'll choose duck. Guys, guys, the images which I'm now uploading, their links are in description. Please go and check them. Yes. For second image, I am keeping it as cat. Third image as cow. Fourth image as horse. Fifth image as monkey. Let's increase the size also. They're like very small. Yes, perfect. Now let's go to the code. On event, our ID of duck is image 1. In place of ID, we will keep the ID of duck. On event image 1 click, play sound, go to animals and choose duck. Yes. And play speech duck. Yes. On event, now let's start it for cat. Cat ID is image 2. On event image 2 click, play sound, go to animals and choose cat. Yes. Now we will do it same for the remaining also. Let's write the code for cow now. Cow ID is image 3. On event, image 3 click, play sound, go to animals and choose cow. Guys, for image 2 that is cat, we did not add speech, so let's add speech. And for cow also, cat, cow. On event, ID of horse is image 4. On event image 4 click, play sound, go to animals and choose horse. Perfect. And play speech horse. On event, idea of monkey is image 5. On image 5 click, play sound, go to animals and now choose monkey. And play speech monkey. Okay, guys, that's it. Let's run the code now.
Duck, cat, cow, horse, monkey.
Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.